When it comes to construction projects, one of the most important aspects is a thorough understanding of the ground conditions. This is where geotechnical investigation services come into play. In Faridabad, there are several companies that offer these services, ensuring that construction projects are carried out with precision and accuracy. Geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad involve a detailed study of the soil, rocks, and groundwater present at the construction site. This information is then used to assess the stability and suitability of the ground for different types of structures. One of the key benefits of geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad is that they help in determining the appropriate foundation design for a structure. The type of foundation required for a building depends on various factors such as the load-bearing capacity of the soil and the presence of any potential hazards like underground water or unstable ground. Geotechnical investigation services provide valuable data that can be used to make informed decisions about the design and construction of foundations, ensuring the safety and longevity of the structure. In addition to foundation design, geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad also play a crucial role in slope stability analysis. This is particularly important in hilly areas or regions prone to landslides. By conducting detailed site investigations and analyzing the soil properties, geotechnical engineers can identify potential slope failures and recommend appropriate measures to mitigate the risks. This could include methods such as slope stabilization techniques or implementing drainage systems to control groundwater levels. Furthermore, geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad also help in assessing the suitability of a site for various types of infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, and tunnels. A solid grasp of the ground conditions is one of the most crucial components of construction projects. Geotechnical investigation services can be useful in this situation. These services are provided by a number of businesses in Faridabad, ensuring that building projects are carried out precisely and accurately. A thorough examination of the soil, rocks, and groundwater at the construction site is part of the geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad. Following that, the stability and suitability of the ground for various sorts of structures are evaluated using this information. Finding the best foundation design for a construction is one of the main advantages of geotechnical investigation services in Faridabad. A building's foundation type is determined by a number of variables. An in-depth knowledge of the ground conditions is one of the most crucial factors in construction projects. Services for geotechnical investigation are useful in this situation. Numerous businesses in Faridabad provide these services, guaranteeing that building projects are carried out precisely and accurately. The soil, rocks, and groundwater at the construction site are all carefully examined as part